Hello from Geneva. Got to give a big shout out to Cartier. About to stop in to our appointment and see the new pieces, the new releases, hands-on. I'm super excited. They dropped some heat. Mike, what you excited to see?
I'm really excited to see the red reverse rewind. I'm excited to see some of the new tanks. They have a super mini one, and they have some really funky piece uniques that I'm excited to get my hands on.
A lot of cool stuff. Stay tuned. First up, we have this beautiful Tank American limited edition, platinum with a rose salmon dial, Art Deco inspired. It is gorgeous, a nice limited edition to start the day out.
This is my favorite release from Cartier. This is the Tank Louis Cartier tuxedo dial with the black lacquer in the middle that is surrounded by diamonds. It's the small tank size and has a yellow gold case.
All right, here we have a beautiful update to the Pasha line. We have a Pasha chronograph with a really nice green, almost olive dial. Big fan of the Pasha line, so glad to see they've brought it back and kept it going. Really nice update here. If you're a big fan of green dials, I think this one will do really good. Plays really well in the light. I think this will be a fun in the sun watch, fun in the night watch. Great pickup for anybody who enjoys a fun piece that pays tribute to watches of the past.
This is the Rotonde de Cartier Massy Mystery. 18 karat pink gold, and the oscillating weight is the entire movement of the watch. It's a limited edition of 50 pieces, and it is the craziest thing I've gotten my hands on so far this week. It's mesmerizing to be able to watch the entire movement spin.
And here we have the return of the Cartier Tortue Mono Pusher chronograph. Now we've seen these, been all the craze on the Cartier vintage market. So I no surprise that Cartier decided to bring it back in a modern interpretation, brand new movement, same great case. This one's in platinum. There's also yellow gold version as well. It is beautiful. If you're a fan of the older version, you will be a fan of this piece. It is perfection personified. I mean, I love to look at it. I love it on the wrist. They had to pull this piece away from me. Oh man, amazing piece. Really well done. This one is going to be the one everybody's chasing after, that's for sure.
This is the new limited edition Cartier Santos Dumont Rewind. The Rewind uses a 230 MC reverse wound manual mechanical movement whose hands can be moved backwards instead of forwards. It comes with a dark red dial on a dark red strap.
So this was a piece I was not expecting to see. Cartier Santos dual time, really simple, clean execution, beautiful gray dial. You have your dual time down at 6 o'clock, just dual time and date. This is clean, it's classy, it's a sexy little watch. Excited to see what variations they do in the future. Very good job.
Also 3 new colorful Santos Dumont models that have lacquered dials in both green, blue, and gray, powered by Cartier's manual wind movement. Aesthetically, I really like how the colors came through, and I think these look great on the wrist. My favorite of the bunch is the blue dial.